So what we're looking at here is a spinal cord model, and this is for Bio 105. And the first thing we're going to talk about are these membranes that surround the spinal cord. So this is the spinal cord here. The outermost membrane is this one right here, and that is called the dura mater. So that right there is the dura mater. It goes all the way around. Just underneath that, and you see that separation, that line separating the two, but right here, that membrane right there is the arachnoid mater. So dura mater here, arachnoid mater here. The last membrane, which is directly on the spinal cord, it is right here in the white, that is called the Pia Mater. So that is the Pia Mater. So the outermost one is the dura mater. Inside of that is the arachnoid mater. And then directly on the spinal cord here is the Pia Mater. If we look at the spinal cord, we can see there are two essentially different tissue types. We have this stuff, which is kind of a tannish color, and this stuff, which is off-white. The off-white stuff is called white matter, and the tannish stuff is called gray matter. So this is white matter here, gray matter here. In the middle of the spinal cord is a hole, and that's actually a canal, and that's known as the central canal. So that hole is the central canal. If we follow this all the way out over here, right here we're seeing the spinal nerve. Now where the spinal nerve comes into the spinal cord, you're going to see that we have one branch goes to the top and one branch goes to the bottom of the spinal cord. To know the difference between the two, one of these branches, this one right here, has this swelling on here, and this is known as a ganglion. And so this is actually known as the dorsal root ganglion. So if that's a dorsal root ganglion, then that means this branch going to the top here is the dorsal root, and this branch that's going to the bottom is the ventral root. So spinal nerve out here, we see dorsal root ganglion on the dorsal root, and then this is the ventral root.